Friends, running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for January the 30th to February the 5th. So we have a new month with this ad. How exciting is that? And very close to Valentine's Day. So if you were so lucky in your digital coupons folder, I believe on Wednesday evening these started popping. I got a 5 back when I spend 20, and this is valid from that specific week. And I also got on my second card, I guess they must think I'm friggin' rich, 15 back when you spend 60. But there's a lot of deals in this flyer that's possible. Also, before you do a transaction, what I would recommend is to try to buy something very cheap, one transaction with your store card, to see if one of these might print out, like a newspaper, a candy, I don't know, a chocolate bar or something. So again, a couple rules for you. I would definitely buy something small to see if that paper one prints, because one paper and one digital will stack, and that's where you get the biggest savings. These digital boosters are of a one-time use, and the fun begins on the 30th, which is Sunday. Use your debit card, credit card, cash bills to pay down the balance. Do not use store register rewards, IVCs, or Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Guys, and with the new month, we have a new promotion of buy two, get the third for free on skincare. Now, with the new month, there's going to be a new big book of savings. Also, this weekend, we got the February PG, and with that, we're also going to have new monthly promotions, so we'll have to wait and see what that is. Hopefully, it's something great. Okay, the first dealio that we have is buy 4 of these items, get back a $6 register reward. So see how the Tide liquid is there? That's what I would buy. So we have this booster. Let's throw it in for this little deal to maximize it. And there is no word that we're going to get any digital coupons, and they've kind of been holding that back from us for Tide products for the last 2 months. So this is what I would do, guys. Grab 4 Tide products for $20.96. Present 2 $3 register rewards, manufacturer register rewards from Colgate if you did that last week multiple times. Pay $14.96 with your debit card. Get back a $6 register reward. $5 in Walgreens Cash for the booster, so it makes it $3.96 for all of it. Do not use your Walgreens Cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, but what a great deal to get some cheap Tide. This promotion is also taking place $11.99, and then buy 2, get back $6. So I would probably get like the pods or the liquid. I don't know, maybe one of each. Now, if you might have one of these boosters, I would absolutely use it for this deal. So you can either get 4 smaller Tides or 2 big Mamas. I mean, if you don't have a lot of space, probably the 2 larger ones is the way to go. So grabbing 2 of them, that is $23.98. I would pay with your debit card, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens Cash for the booster and one $6 register reward, making it $12.98 for the 2 or $6.49 per product. Do not use Walgreens Cash or store register rewards to pay. So our friend Angel Soft is back, $3.99. There's going to be a 50-cent digital starting on Sunday morning, and then a $3 register reward when you buy 3. They've played around with this price. It was $4.99, so it's nice to see it back at $3.99. Grabbing 3 of these for $11.97. Use that 50-cent digital. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens Cash, pay $1.47, get back your $3 register reward. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. And if you have store register rewards, if you're doing this deal on its own, also absolutely go for it. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with the soft soap body wash at $3.99. And when you purchase 2 of these, you're getting back $5 of Walgreens Cash, and then there's also going to be a $1 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these, that's $7.98 on the nose. Subtracting that $1 digital coupon, you're paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 of Walgreens Cash, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per body wash. If you want to use a bit of Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, for all the parents out there, let's talk about a quick little Huggies deal. There is a 4 off of 2 digital that's going to be showing up on Sunday, but if you have other coupons to throw in the mix, absolutely do it, or manufacturer register rewards, do it. If you have this booster, let's throw it also into the mix. Math, guys, 3 Huggies is $30, subtracting that 4 off of 2. Digital, make sure you have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $26 with your debit card, get back $5 of Walgreens Cash for the booster, plus the $5 register reward, making it $16 for the 3 or $5.33 per bag. Do not use Walgreens Cash or store register rewards to pay, and photograph this receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. They often give extra points for the purchase of Huggies diapers as part of their catalog. Okay, so the All or Snuggle laundry products are $3.49. There's going to be a $1 digital coupon, dropping it down to $2.49. So, if you love the All, I love those All pods. $2.49 is definitely a stock-up price for this girl. And then the Scott Kleenex, so the paper towel, toilet paper, it's still $5, so that hasn't risen with the crazy inflation. There's a $1.25 IVC, so it'll drop it down to $3.75. I think that is a stock-up price in my book. Okay, the Crest is to buy 3 of them, get back a $5 register reward, and there's going to be a 3 off of 2, but man, I would really love to see a higher value coupon than that because I hate paying for toothpaste. But anyhow, here's a deal. Grabbing 3 tubes for $9, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're going to pay $6, get back the $5 register reward, and it makes it $1 for 3. And if you're doing this deal on its own and you want to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash, absolutely go for it. This is a really good deal. To get 3 of these Pantenes, there's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and then you earn a $5 register reward when you buy 3. So it makes it like $2 for 3. If you love Pantene, this is a very good deal. Some people swear by Pantene. So grabbing 3 of them for $12, subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital that will be showing up on Sunday morning, you're paying $7 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per shampoo. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, the Tampax deal, 2 for $11. And then when you purchase 3, you get back a $5 register reward. It's the same promotion as the other 2. Now, if you ever order beauty stuff online, I got a little booklet of coupons, and I have a 5 off of 2 that showed up. Plus, we're also getting a $1 digital, so that's $6 of coupons. If you did an order online and for beauty, sometimes they send like free little coupons and samples. That's where I got it. So factoring in this coupon, grabbing 3 of the Tampax for $16.50, subtracting that 5 off of 2 coupon that I got from that booklet, along with the $1 digital, I'm paying $10 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. I'm assuming it's a store register reward. It'll be $5.50 for the 3 items, or $1.83 per box of Tampax. Now, if you want to use Walgreens Cash, absolutely go for it to pay this one down. With this one, though, I'm going to say that I would absolutely do this deal because we don't get a lot of deals for cheap Tampax. It's just one of those things. We get a lot of Playtex deals over at the Dollar General, but this specific product, it's few and far between. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one is Colgate. They have a $1 coupon here. We need like a $4 off of 2 or something a little bit better than that. I don't believe in paying for this when we get it for free so many times, so they got to do something better. Sunday morning, what will they provide for us? BOGO free with the Purex. If this is $7.99, that's a hard pass, even though you get $1 of Walgreens Cash when you buy 2, because we usually get it for $1.99 as well. The Tresemme, there's going to be a 5 off of 2 digital loaded. There is no deal for this unless IBOTTA has something. We'll have to wait and see. But right now, Walgreens doesn't have anything, but load that digital coupon. And the Super Bowl will be happening pretty soon. So there's going to be a lot of deals for spirits and that sort of stuff. You buy one of these and then you get the receipt, and you'll get a little thing, a printout from the Catalina machine to send it to the manufacturer, and they'll mail you a check for $5. It's 1 per household, but if you wanted to stock up for a party, here's an idea. And we have the like chips. There's lots of chip deals. So 2 for $7. If you like the Cheetos, the crunchy ones, I don't think this is the worst deal. They're so expensive lately. And the Lay's 2 for $5 or 1 for $4.09. Well, of course you're just going to buy the 2. You're losing money the other way. $1.99 for the Cheerios. That's usually $1.88 as the deal of the week, so 10 cents more. And then 3 for $9.99 for the Pepsi. That's a really good price point. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!